I'm going to be using the new clear fiber gel in a bottle and pot to show you how easy it is to apply these beautiful tips on her natural nails. Okay, so what I've done is I've prepared her natural nails, I've removed the shine, I've cleansed them, I've protein bonded the surface. Now we have to prepare the tips before we mount them onto the nails. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use a sanding band and I'm just gently going to lightly remove the shine underneath the well, just like that. Boom. This is going to etch the underneath and create perfect texture for the nails to bond to the surface of the natural nail. All right, so again, I'm just gonna run this arbor band, and I'm using a really low speed. Again, I'm just lightly removing the shine underneath. You could do these to the tips, to all the tips before you start. This is going to give it the adhesion necessary for it to bond for a long time. All right, so once I'm done, I'm just going to lightly kind of dust away any residue. Okay, now it's really important, what we have to do is we have to get our mounting light ready. If we're working with the clear fiber gel, what we want to be able to do is apply a nice even amount at the cuticle area. So I'm going to take my brush, I'm literally just going to kind of just get a nice even amount right here at the cuticle, because I want to be able to rock them from cuticle to free edge. Okay, this is going to give you that bubble-free and absolutely clear application on the natural nail. It's going to be able to push through and be flawless. Now what we want to be able to do, we want to be able to turn the light on, and I'm now going to, again, keep it low enough. We're going to start from the cuticle area, and then what I want to be able to do is, you can see, I want to be able to push this all the way down to the natural nail and then get it underneath the light, just like this. I want to be able to use, a strong enough pressure to be able to hold this so that we don't have any pockets at all. All right, so once you actually get the nails mounted, get it inside the light and expose it for a minimum of 30 seconds. You just want to be able, again, to get that tip secure to the natural nail. All right, so what we're going to do with the fiber gel in a pot, we're going to be using the coffin nails. This time I'm going to be using my gel brush. Again, I want to be able to pick up a nice healthy amount. I'm just going to get it right here at the very, very end. And what we want to be able to do is push from the cuticle down towards the free edge. So again, what we're going to do, we're going to turn on the light, okay? So right here on the back, I'm just going to get that on, and what we're going to do is we're just going to push this all the way, and then I want to be able to expose it to the light, just like this. You need to hold this in place. Boom. Then once it's on, we're gonna go inside the light, and we're gonna make sure, once the application is done, just make sure that you're going to cure the product out for a full 60 seconds. You have the option of applying another coat of fiber gel over the surface. You have the option of doing gel paint. You have the option of doing designs. You have the option of taking this canvas to the next level, but the fiber gel is going to make it super easy to mount both the stiletto and coffin tips without any problems at all.
Subscribe channel now. Subscribe channel now. Subscribe and